Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we're looking at your brand new 2018 Toyota RAV4 LE. It's a 4-door, 5-passenger, all-wheel drive SUV in a sleek black color. Under the hood, you'll find a 2.5-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of upgraded 17-inch wheels. You also have your low-profile roof rails and your fully automatic headlights, plus that forward collision mitigation center can be found beneath your front grille. But why don't we head on inside and take a look at your interior features. Helping you into your RAV is your handy key. You also have the lock, the unlock, and a panic button on it. To unlock your driver's side, simply press once, and to unlock all 4 doors, press twice. As you can see, you also have that turn signal indicator on your side mirror there. Opening it up now. Really great height and plenty of room to hop in. You have some storage on the side of your driver's side there, as well as your power windows and your power locks. Your power adjustable side mirrors are available there, as well as your side lane departure warning as part of your Toyota Safety Sense. We have your all-weather floor mats for when things start getting a little bit messy out there, as well as these really great sport interiors all throughout that are nice and soft and really easy to maintain. But why don't we hop on in and take a look. Starting up your RAV4 is super easy. Simply put the key into the ignition. That dashboard will light up for you. Taking a look at that dashboard. Really great ambient lighting and that side lane departure warning for you. You've got this really great sporty detail on your steering wheel, as well as all your steering wheel mounted controls like your mode changers, your hands-free calling, volume control, and your cruise control is available down here. This option here is your dynamic radar cruise control, which the sensor you can find on the front of your windshield there. Taking a look at your InTune 3.0 system, you have your audio, which is equipped with AM/FM radio, your Sirius XM radio, as well as your CD player on top. With your hands-free calling, you also have your Bluetooth audio, so you can take your music wherever you go. What's great about the RAV4 is you have that leather trim that stretches all the way across the front there, as well as these great chrome details on your knobs to tie all of that sporty style together, keeping you nice and warm during those winter months. You have your heated driver and passenger seats with 2 different settings, as well as your eco mode and your sport drive mode. You have your heated side mirrors and your auxiliary and USB inputs, and your 12-volt DC charger all available underneath there. We have some storage options, as well as your cup holders, that great chrome detailing on your shift knob, and that leather detailing on your parking brake. Taking a look at your center console, it is a little bit dark, but you do have a mat that comes out to make sure it's nice and easy to clean, and you have that top shelf for any smaller items you want to store. On top here we have that shelf as well for anything you want to leave out so that you don't want to forget, as well as all the manuals you'll need to know everything there is to know about your RAV4 in your glove box. Some really great things happening inside your RAV4, but why don't we head on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your RAV4. Taking a closer look, you have your rear windshield wiper for when things start getting a little bit messy out there. We have your backup camera available underneath. And a nice clean bumper. Opening up that tailgate now. Plenty of space to store all of your family's needs, as well as this handy tonneau cover, which you can store underneath here. So with your tonneau cover stored, you also have your spare tire and all the tools and jacks you'll need in case anything does happen. And you won't have to store your tonneau cover in your garage or anything like that. This handy hard cover simply just folds down. And you also have some convertible storage space under here. And of course your handy guides so you know how to install that cover. Plus your cargo lamp to make sure that everything is visible. Now you do have your 40-60 split folding seats, so let's see how that looks. So that's what it looks with the one side folded down, and now with the other side folded down. You have plenty of space to store any larger items you need to carry in your SUV, keeping it nice and versatile for you. Closing up that tailgate is super easy. Just grab that handle there, drop it down and let it latch. And we'll back up to take one more look at the back of your RAV4. Taking one final look at your 2018 Toyota RAV4 LE. With that backup camera and all your other Toyota Safety Sense P features, you will be driving nice and safe and comfortable on those roads ahead. But don't just take my word for it. Come on in, take it for a test drive, see how it fits in with your lifestyle. We are easy to find at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail. And until I see you next time, drive safe.